So I was told that black beans really make you want to fart. So I came up with a solution.
Welcome to Vegan Kiwis to Pistachio. Instapot pressure cooker Coca Cola black beans.
I just finished a video where I introduced Pepsi Cola into normal bean. What I've done here is I'm going to introduce Coca Cola into the water for these beans. Now this is 2 cups of black beans with a little bit of peas just to make it a full 2 cups. And then once I soaked it in the refrigerator, I got all these beans there. So I'm going to put it inside the Instapot.
Add 5 cups of water and 1 cup of Coca Cola to the metal liner.
So here are 5 cups of filtered water, and I'm going to put in this can, the original Coca Cola, into the water. The Instapot pressure cooker. I'm going to pour.
To make sure that you have enough water in the IP liner, make sure you have 2 inches above the beans.
Now we're going to really find out whether Coca Cola can match. Will it do the same thing or will it not? Make sure your sealer is in the middle. Right over here, make sure it's in the middle.
Press the manual button and then press the plus sign to move the digital timer to 30 minutes.
Okay, that's all you have to do. It'll come to pressure, a few minutes it'll turn itself on. Okay.
The pressure cooker just ended. Now turn off the Instapot pressure cooker off. Next, allow the cooker vent naturally for 15 minutes.
Turn it off. And so in about 15 minutes we'll be back and we'll check it again.
The pressure pot does not have any pressure and the internal lock has popped down. Open the lid and place the lid away from your working area for safety.
Okay, so the pot now is finished. We're going to check to see the pressure. See, there's no pressure coming out. That means the lock has been lifted. The fluids come out. They don't splatter all over you. Put them in a safe place on your counter.
Now remove the beans from the metal liner to a large bowl for cooling.
What we're going to do is we're going to slowly move the contents of the liner inside the pot. Okay. So very carefully pick it up and then slowly pour it all in.
Now that the beans have cooled, remove the bean water by using a strainer.
So next we're going to do is we're going to strain these into another pot.
Once the water is removed from the beans, let it cool in a large bowl.
We're going to transfer the big bowl, to the strainer. So now I'm going to just pick this up and I'm going to pour it inside now. Let's see how hot it is. Cool down.
The beans are finished. The test was to see if the Coca Cola would remove the flatulence from the beans. I had no trouble after I used the Coca Cola can, and I believe this test was a valid one. This video is finished. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Subscribe to us and give us a thumbs up if you like this video.